Forbidden Journey is one of the best rides in the world, but it's also the #1 stomach churner. Today we're testing several different nausea remedies to see if any of these will work for this specific ride. I do want to mention this ride is not just stomach churning, it's kind of scary actually. We always somehow get stuck with a Dementor on our face. I don't even remember what else. I'm always closing my eyes because I'm about to throw up. So this is going to be super interesting. If you haven't already, give it a like, subscribe. This is gonna suck. We've been postponing this for a while, but we're here now.
And just a disclaimer, every person's nausea level may be different.
This did it for me.
And every person handles this ride differently.
I don't feel at all sick.
As well as every person will handle the nausea remedies different. So we are going to give you our personal experience with each nausea remedy and see which one works best for us to try to give you a little insight on which one may work best for you. Let's go in the queue.
Aaliyah will be trying the sickness bands, which work by applying pressure, 2 pressure points on the wrist and arm. There's no proof that these actually work, and some say it's more of a placebo effect. Brianna will be using the motion sickness patches, which uses natural herbs and oils to prevent nausea and is applied behind the ear. I will be using the motion sickness goggles, which is a great drug-free alternative. The liquid-filled rings move with the motion, creating a more stable horizon, making sense to your eyes and brain. The extra 2 rings on the side are meant to help block your peripheral vision. Results can vary. You will be the talk of the town with these. I keep forgetting how dark it is over here. Oh man, not excited.
So we are starting off with round 1, which is what we're calling our gear. Things that we don't have to take internally, really, but each item does have its own buffer period. So this has a 30-minute wait right now. We're not using our express till later, so it's giving it time to kind of adjust. I started off with the patches that go behind your ear. I can smell it. It kind of smells like cooling patches, like cooling gel. Aaliyah is starting off with her pressure point wristbands. And so us waiting in line is also giving her a little bit of a grace period. And then Luis is going to start off with the goggles, which he's waiting a little bit of time before he puts those on. They have a less buffer time. So we'll have him put those on when we get closer to the front.
I'm already nauseous, and we haven't even gotten on the ride yet. Like, I don't know how this is gonna play out, and I don't want to put my goggles on because I don't want to look like an idiot. But I have to do it so we can test it out if it works.
All right, so round 1 done. I will say, prepare yourself a little bit longer. The wait time showed 30 minutes. It took about 10 minutes for us to get from the gate onto the ride. So give yourself a little more buffer time just in case. I will say for the patches, it's been forever since we've ridden this ride because we try to avoid it at all costs. Moving screens still made me nauseous. I was able to actually enjoy the practical sets of the ride this time. But as soon as the moving screen came back on, I was instantly nauseous again, so.
I don't really feel anything. For me, the screens aren't what make me nauseous. It's usually the slower movements, especially in front of certain objects like the Dementors. I think that is what I don't like.
And lastly, I tried the game goggles. They're not called game goggles. I don't remember what they're called, but so all of these remedies that we tried take at least 10 to 15 minutes to kind of activate, I would say. Well, that's what the instructions say. This surprisingly worked. I did feel a little bit nauseous towards the end, but it was very minimal. Like, it's bearable, very bearable. As soon as we got off, I felt great. 5 minutes into wearing these, my eyes were kind of like, I felt like a tickling sensation. I don't know if it was just, you know, the peripherals being blocked or whatever. I don't know, but surprisingly, these worked. Next up are the actual things you have to take, and those take some time. So, got 2 more items to try. Next up are the nausea sweets. They're natural, organic lozenges that feel a bit like cough drops. They're designed to give you quick relief, and they're especially good to have when you're pregnant to help keep nausea at bay. I'm not expecting anytime soon, so let's test these out. I actually feel pretty good. You know, round 1, I was very skeptical, but I feel very confident now. But I don't want to overstep.
So the peppermint oil lozenges that we're eating, they also have ginger version. They're commonly known for people who may be pregnant too, to take them throughout the day for their morning sickness or just general sickness. So we're doing the peppermint ones. They taste just like a spearmint. So I don't know if you don't have these lozenges, maybe just a spearmint, something that will kind of stimulate your mind that way. Maybe try that and see if it works, but I'm nervous to do this back to back and see if it helps.
Attention, ride vehicles will begin moving immediately. Please remain clear of the ride track.
All right, so 20 minutes to get on and off. This time that was with a delay. What do we say? How many times have we ridden this and we have stopped mid-ride? Have we said, like, have we counted how many times?
Like 3 times.
So thankfully this time when our ride delayed, we were not in front of a Dementor, but we happened to be up underneath the Whomping Willow. So we got lucky there. Overall, I still feel pretty good. You can hear a few people behind me saying like they have a headache now. I kind of feel that a little bit too, but I think that just maybe the sudden movements or whatever. Overall, I still feel pretty good. Not sure if we're just getting used to it now or the stop kind of helped maybe. So
we didn't have a screen for the Quidditch part, which was fine because I think that's the worst part. But just the movement, you're looking at nothing. It's just like, oh my goodness, my stomach was churning. I would say nausea level 2 out of 5. But then now that we're off, I don't feel too bad, actually. I feel fine. So we're on to the next thing. The best one that everyone recommends, Dramamine. So let's try that one out. It takes anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. So we're going to take this, eat some food, and then get back on that ride one last time, and hopefully this works.
So it's been a little over 30 minutes since we took the Dramamine. The wait time right now says 45 minutes, but it didn't stop until further than it did the first time we were on this ride. But now we've been standing far too long, so I don't know. I think just stopping here is making me feel more nauseous than the first 2 times sitting here in line waiting. Right now I don't feel too good.
This did it for me. I don't think that Dramamine really worked. Out of a nausea scale of 1 to 5, I'm gonna give this one, I want to say a 2. There's points that it was peaking to a 3, but it's a 2, a solid 2. Oh my goodness. I don't think that medicine really worked. I tried closing my eyes for a little bit. That didn't work. That made it worse. So I can say the Dramamine really didn't work.
I don't feel at all sick. I just don't get sick on this ride.
I think I'm with Luis. We did give it enough time to kick in. We even ate a little something to kind of help because you also can feel sick just by being on an empty stomach. So we didn't eat anything indulgent. We shared just the fish and chips, so nothing super filling. And I felt better the first 2 times getting off this ride than I do now. I think if you were to pair the Dramamine maybe with one of the other options like the patches or the goggles, you might be good to go. But I think just Dramamine on its own, unless it's just caught up to us that we've been moving over and over again, yeah, I feel worse now.
While the Dramamine is the only FDA approved product that we tried, this was one of the products that didn't really work for us, and here's why. Dramamine works by blocking signals to the brain and can take anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to work. This is going to be most effective with natural or unsteady movements. To be fair, the Forbidden Journey ride does not provide any type of natural motion, unless you like to live life on the edge. Simply put, intense rides with unnatural motions and visuals can overpower the effects of Dramamine. Out of all the products we used, it seems that the goggles were the most effective at combating nausea. Sure, you might get some looks wearing them, but you'll come out feeling okay. And though some of these products worked for us, they may not work for you. We highly suggest to do your research, try it out, and see for yourself, and let us know in the comments if it worked for you as well.
Time to enjoy the park. So thank you guys for everything, and
We'll catch you on the next one.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.